Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best Windows Mini PCs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. HP 600G2 Microcomputer. The HP 600G2 is a very affordable mini tower PC, powered by an Intel i3 dual-core 6100T CPU. Even if the CPU performance is not stellar, this little fellow comes loaded with additional goodies, the likes of 16 GB of RAM, a 256 GB solid-state drive and Windows 10 Pro. As far as specs are concerned, the HP 600G2 offers strong performance and solid hardware at an unbeatable price, thus playing in the best bang for the buck category, and winning by a long shot. If you're looking for a no-nonsense business-centric mini PC, the HP 600G2 will get the job done with flying colors. At number 4. Intel NUC8 Mainstream Kit. The Intel NUC8 Mainstream Kit is yet another tiny yet powerful mini PC, running on an Intel Core i3 8th Gen CPU, which features Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655. On top of that, you have a M.222x42/80 slot for PCIe NVMe or SATA SSD, a 2.5 inches SSD, HDD bay and support for up to 32 GB of DDR4 dual-channel DDR4 2400 SODIMM RAM. In terms of connectivity, you'll get dual-band wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, SATA 3 support, Thunderbolt, USB 3.1, USB Type-C, along with 7.1 channel surround sound, dual-array microphone, and HDMI. As an interesting factoid, the Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655 GPU supports up to 3 4K displays, so if you're looking for a small and silent machine to perform usual tasks, like office work, watching YouTube, video stream and things of that nature, the Intel NUC8 Mainstream Kit will do the job with flying colors. At number 3. Asus Chromebox 3N017U. The Asus Chromebox 3N017U is an entry-level, hence affordable, mini PC, which comes with the latest Gen Intel Celeron 3865U processor under the hood, seconded by 4 GB of RAM, along with a gigabit LAN card, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and a 32 GB M.2 SATA SSD, i.e. the basics required for surfing the interwebs and performing light office duties and things of that nature. Furthermore, the integrated GPU is 4 kelvins capable and can support 2 monitors via DisplayPort, Type-C and HDMI connectors. This cool mini PC comes preloaded with Chrome OS, which means it's fully compatible with thousands of Android apps available on both Chrome Web Store and Google Play. There's also built-in antivirus protection, so you won't have to waste your time and resources on security software and, on top of that, you'll get instant access to your files from basically any location. At number 2. Zotac ZBOXCI 660 Nano Plus Silent Mini PC. This mini PC features very powerful 8th generation Intel Core i7-8550U with 4 cores ranging from 1.8 to 4 GHz. Along with that comes pretty decent Intel Ultra HD graphics 620, with dual display option and 4K working at 60 Hz, as well as HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.2 support. As for options to connect the device to the Internet and other devices, there is support for 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, dual gigabit LAN and Bluetooth 4.2. Along with that comes 2 USB 3.1 Type-C and 5 USB 3.0 ports, so you will always be able to connect to everything you need to. As for the prolonged performance, this mini PC doesn't have any fans, which makes it very quiet. To enhance the performance any further, there is a passive cooling feature and this PC is VESA mountable. Finally at number 1. Dell CFC5C OptiPlex 3050. Next in line, we have a Dell CFC5C OptiPlex 3050, a machine which boasts almost legendary status. This Dell is basically a 7th gen Intel i5-powered micro-form factor desktop PC, running on Windows 10 Pro or Linux, depending on one's personal preference. Besides the powerful quad-core i5-7500 TCPU, this Dell boasts 8 GB of RAM, up to 32 GB supported, and a 256 GB SSD. Basically, if you're looking for sheer desktop-like power in a smaller form factor, this Dell OptiPlex would cut it for you, provided you're not discouraged by the price tag, which is a little bit steep for what this machine really is. The main argument for getting an OptiPlex, besides Dell's legendary reliability and industry-leading security and manageability is its compact form factor, which uses 60% less surface area compared to a regular desktop computer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.